Cats exhibit many puzzling behaviors that intrigue and amuse their human companions, and one of the strangest is their tendency to sit on paper. Whether it's a newspaper, a sheet of printer paper, an open book, or even a magazine, many cat owners have observed their feline friends deliberately choosing to settle down on a piece of paper instead of the surrounding floor, furniture, or carpet. This behavior, while seemingly odd, has a variety of explanations rooted in a cat's instincts, sensory perception, and psychology. One possible reason cats prefer sitting on paper is the texture difference between the paper and the surrounding surface. Cats are highly sensitive to changes in their environment, and they use their paws to detect variations in temperature and texture. Paper, especially when placed on a cold or smooth surface like tile or hardwood flooring, may provide a slightly warmer or more comfortable feeling under a cat's paws. The insulating properties of paper, even though minimal, can create a noticeable contrast that attracts the cat to sit on it. Temperature regulation is another factor that could explain why cats choose paper as a preferred sitting spot. Cats have a higher body temperature than humans, averaging between 38 and 39 degrees Celsius, and they instinctively seek warm places to rest. Paper, particularly thick or stacked sheets, can provide a subtle insulating effect that helps a cat retain body heat. This is why some cats prefer sitting on newspapers, which have multiple layers that trap warmth better than a single sheet of printer paper. The behavior may also be influenced by a cat's territorial instincts. Cats are naturally territorial animals, and they often seek out objects or spaces to claim as their own. When a cat sees a new or unusual item in its environment, such as a piece of paper placed on the floor, it may feel the need to investigate and mark it as part of its territory. Cats have scent glands in their paws, and by sitting or stepping on paper, they can transfer their scent onto the object, essentially claiming ownership of it. This territorial behavior can also explain why cats are drawn to newly placed sheets of paper rather than older ones they have already interacted with. Another theory suggests that cats may sit on paper as a way of seeking attention. Cats are highly observant and quickly learn which behaviors elicit reactions from their owners. If a cat notices that sitting on paper, particularly an open book or newspaper, gets a human's attention, whether in the form of laughter, a photograph, or an attempt to move the cat, it may repeat the behavior to engage with its owner. Some cats may even associate paper with positive attention and deliberately seek it out as a way to interact with their humans. The instinct to sit in defined or enclosed spaces could also be a contributing factor. Cats are naturally drawn to confined areas where they feel secure, which is why they enjoy boxes, bags, and small hiding spots. A sheet of paper on the ground may create a psychological boundary that a cat perceives as a designated resting place. Some studies have even shown that cats will sit inside imaginary boxes or shapes drawn on the floor, suggesting that they are drawn to visual boundaries as a form of security or curiosity. The contrast between the paper and the surrounding floor may create a visual cue that signals a distinct area, making the cat more likely to choose it as a resting spot. There is also a potential link between a cat's hunting instincts and its attraction to paper. In the wild, felines rely on camouflage and strategic positioning to stalk prey, and they often use leaves, grass, or other natural textures to blend into their surroundings. A domestic cat may instinctively see a piece of paper as a similar type of surface, making it a natural resting or ambush spot. This could explain why some cats not only sit on paper but also crouch or paw at it as if preparing to pounce. Paper also produces subtle sounds and textures that may intrigue a cat's senses. The crinkling noise of newspaper or the smooth surface of printer paper can be stimulating to a cat's highly attuned hearing and touch. Some cats enjoy kneading paper, scratching it, or even biting and chewing on it, behaviors that can be linked to their natural curiosity and playfulness. While the exact reason why cats prefer sitting on paper may vary between individuals, it is clear that the behavior is influenced by a combination of sensory preferences, territorial instincts, temperature regulation, attention-seeking behavior, and natural curiosity. Regardless of the underlying cause, this quirky habit is harmless and often provides entertainment for both cats and their owners. Understanding these feline tendencies can help cat owners appreciate the complex and fascinating ways in which their pets interact with the world around them.